guys, happy Halloween. So I wanted to make this video on Halloween. So Saturday I went to a rave and I just wanted to sort of see what that was about. I didn't really like it, didn't really enjoy it. I just felt like it was a bit too loud. But I did film a little bit of it, so I'll put that in here. And today is actually Halloween, and I plan on going to this sort of house which is all decorated for Halloween, and it's to help support the local cat rescue, so I will be donating some cat food to them, so that will be cool to go to.
And it's that way round, you're not going to come and have a look around?
Yeah, we will do, thank you.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
It's that way round?
Oh, this way round.
Yeah.
I heard someone scream, so you gotta... Oh, they're expensive. Oh, there's one. No, she don't move. Oh no, she does. Oh God! This is good.
And then later on I'm going to meet up with some friends and I'm going to go out, which is why I'm dressed up a little bit spooky. Yeah. Yeah, that's really it. I did get a new camera because my old camera is now broken. The zoom completely broke and it didn't have a flip screen, so I just felt like it was really difficult to film on. It was good for photos but not for filming. So now I've got this new camera. Hopefully the quality will be better and hopefully it will be easier to film. And I'm sorry if I'm looking like that way instead of that way, but I'm still trying to get used to it. So I did also take Daisy for a walk, and I dressed her up for that walk. We did get some funny stares, but it is Halloween.